We've been working with Go North West for a number of years. We started in 2017 with a small cohort of apprentices, and this initial success has resulted in the strong partnership we see today.
The partnership with Total People is key. It brings fresh ideas and fresh individuals into the industry and also boosts the local economy. Go North West's role in this partnership is to contribute our skills and assets to enhance current apprentices within Total People. It supports local development within the Manchester region. It supports our apprentices within the learning development with Total People, and it also strengthens our skill gap within our workforce as well.
Employers make an absolutely vital part in that tripartite that we do. Go North West have been absolutely amazing. Never in my lifetime, and I've been doing this now for 30 years, have I ever had the support of an organisation to such a degree.
Successful delivery of the apprenticeship of the bus and coach engineering standards relies heavily on support and input from our employers. Without supportive and committed employers, we would have no future technicians.
We've had a skills drain for a number of years across trades and technicians, and we're now getting young, real, energetic people. And they will progress.
G&W is really passionate about local communities and how it contributes to that community as well, and that's why we've really put our time and effort into supporting Total People and delivering this vehicle in a good, healthy state to themselves, so it provides learning and development for our apprentices.
The donation allows our learners to develop their knowledge and skills and behaviours on the state-of-the-art vehicles that replicates their everyday working experience at Go North West.
It's an extremely new bus, well painted, well done. And that's what it's about.
Mercedes' role in this partnership is we are donating a small training package to be delivered on our Mercedes-Benz Citaro product in conjunction with Go North West and Total People, and it will factor in a top to bottom, front to back training program on the vehicle.
Having buses like this in our place here is great because we know these buses, we have them in our workplace and we're very familiarised with them, and so we understand how these work. So it really helps us.
The last EPA that we did here, we've had a 100% pass rate for the first time in one block of endpoint assessment. You use their buses, we use their technology, we use their support. You can't put a price on that. I can't thank them enough.
These are really well paid, highly skilled jobs, and partnerships such as these ensure the longevity for the future of the industry.
These will be the leaders of tomorrow. That there is no doubt.